Hey there, Hamster Kombat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel for today's Daily Combo update. We'll be guiding you through the process of finding the Daily Combo cards for June 8th, 2024. Today, we have 3 cards to find. The Japan license card in the legal section, the meme coins card in the market section, and the Core team card in the PR and team section. Let's get started. To open the Japan license card, you must invite someone new. The robot and previous invitations do not count. Next, you need to level 10 influencers card to open the meme coins card. Finally, you need to make the IT team card level 5 to open the QA team card. Once we have all 3 cards, we can upgrade 1 level and claim our 5 million coins. Remember to increase your profit per hour and don't forget to invest your coins wisely. That's it for today's Daily Combo. Make sure to subscribe for daily updates and stay tuned for more Hamster Kombat content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.